Now, what is altitude? Altitude means, in general terms, I'm talking about height only. So when I talk about in terms of environment, altitude means the height with respect to the sea level. Whatever height the body or the factor has gained above the sea level, that is referred as the altitude. So in this figure you can see the altitude is the height above the sea level of a place. Now, what is latitude? Latitude is the angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator or of the equator of a celestial object, usually expressed in degrees and minutes. So whenever we talk about these minutes and degrees, we are talking about the latitudes and the longitudes, the imaginary lines which have been placed to determine the position of an area, or you can say an object, like that. Okay. Climatic zones, we are again talking about like the environment which is regulated by majorly the temperature and the rainfall. So along with that, the temperature and the light values are maximum at the equator and decreases gradually towards the pole. So maximum of the temperature, maximum of the light source, it is going to fall on the equator, and as we go above the equator, as we go far away from the equator towards the pole, then we can say that the temperature and the light values decreases. Effect of altitude and latitude are almost same on the temperature. So just like the values of temperature varies, so similarly the altitude and latitudes also vary. The types of vegetation from sea level to measuring altitudes are similar to increasing latitude, that is decrease. The types of vegetation from sea level to measuring altitude are similar to increasing latitude, that is distance from the equator. So obviously as we go away from the equator, the temperature values differ, the rainfall differ, the light values differ. So obviously the vegetation, the soil type, it also has to vary according to that only.